Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, and y'all, today we have a Rocksbox. Now normally I open these on camera, but I did know what was coming in this one, so I specifically wanted to wear this jewelry that I'm renting from Rocksbox out for the day. I had a girls' day with my sister and my niece for her birthday, and I knew I wanted to wear it. Y'all, the weather's getting warmer here. Actually, this is too much, but I couldn't go without because boy, I felt bare. But I wanted to wear my lemon dress. Y'all remember the lemon dress from last year? I actually got a comment from hubby telling me how cute I looked this morning, which is amazing. But if you do not know what Rocksbox is, it is a jewelry rental subscription. They send you 3 pieces of jewelry in a box. Now you can get more than one box in a month because you're paying a $21 fee for the month, not per box, but for the month. So $21, and you could get, 3, 6, 9 pieces of jewelry depending on how fast you send it back for that $21. You do have the option to keep the items. You can buy them. You can buy one, you can buy all of them. If you buy all of them, you get a $10 towards it. Your $21 each month is credited towards that purchase. I think it's a great deal, and it's a great way to keep your jewelry fresh. Now, if you hear more background noise than usual, I'm not sure if you will or not. I've got the windows open in here because it's like 72 outside, and it's super windy, so I think the windows are rattling from the wind. There's a storm blowing in today, and yeah, it's just lovely outside, so I had to have that little bit of fresh air come into this house. You know how houses can just get stuffy, and once it starts getting warmer, you just gotta open up. Anyway, I'm going to show you this jewelry. Now, it came in the box. I love the bees. I am ready for the spring. I'm ready for summer. I'm ready for my pool. Hey, gorgeous. And the back of your Hey Gorgeous card is your care instructions. It pretty much just tells you if you're going to clean it in any way, just to wipe it off with these baggies. Now, all the jewelry I have just piled up because I wore it. But they do come separated in these 3 little baggies. They come in bubble wrap, little baggies sometimes. The earrings were on a thingy. But yeah, I took all that stuff off. It was a Kate Spade moment today, okay? Everything was Kate Spade. And I like Kate Spade. I tend to wear stuff a lot. In the bottom of the box, wrapped in the tissue paper that I haven't pulled this out yet, the price sheet and your return label. So make sure you keep your white envelope because you're going to pop your return label right on top of that old one and put everything back in the box to send back. So they make it really easy for you. So they don't care how long you keep it. You can keep it for a couple days, or you can keep it all month long if you want to. You could keep it for 2 months if you wanted to. There's just not really a time limit on getting it back. It's really why I love this, because y'all know how hectic my life can get, just like everybody else's. Also do have a code. If you put in GINAP BFF 45, you'll get $25 in forever credit, and your first box will be free, or your first month, I think it is. First set, it says. Your first set is free. But yeah, it's a great way to try it out. See if you like it, and if you don't, you just cancel. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Don't squeeze these lemons though. No, no, no. Oh my goodness, my husband will laugh at that. All right, let's look at the pieces. So the first one I got, look at this. If I can get it to hold still. It is a beautiful flower, gold accents. Now I did put an extender on here. It does have the extensions already, but I just extended it further because I wanted it to hang longer. You know, you can get these little extenders just anywhere, and it didn't match, but who cares? I just wanted to wear this piece because I'm ready for spring, and what says spring better than flowers and lemons? And let me get the hair out the way, hang on. So keep in mind, this is going to look a little longer because I do have the extension on there. So it would be a little shorter. It was coming up to here, I think. And I just wanted it to hang just that little bit further down because I love it when they look, like that. This is the Kate Spade Floral Frenzy Mini Pendant. It's an $88 pendant. I think that's my member price. I'm not sure. They've stopped doing it. They used to do like the original price and member price. Now they just have this one price. And then of course down here they'll tell you, you know, like I'd get $10.70 off because I'm a gold member. I'd get my February monthly credit back, which is the $21. I have $25 forever credit. Thank you so much. Whoever used my link, that gives me $21 forever credit too. I appreciate it so very much. Thank you, thank you. If I buy all three, I get that $10 back. So I would get a total of $66.70 worth of discounts. Now, everything in here, sorry, Bonnie just did her sit up and look because she's sitting in the window. Look at gracious. I don't know if y'all can see her or not. Do not look at all the junk. Please do not look at all the junk. Yeah, this room is still like a work in progress, but it's better than it was. I got in here the other day before I had to go out of town for my daddy and just power cleaned. And I need to vacuum still. And I need to get a whole bunch of stuff put in the attic. I just haven't gotten there yet. Maybe I can get there this weekend. I thought we were going to both have to go out of town. Hubby was going to go on a work trip, so I was going to go back up to Mom and Daddy's farm. He's doing much better, by the way. Thank you, everybody, for all your prayers. Was that a dog? I don't even know. I think I'm going to sneeze, though. Allergies. Okay, I think I got it. Y'all ever heard the thing, if you want to sneeze, you look at the light. And then if you don't want to sneeze, you think of a cow. A big, fat, juicy cow. It's supposed to stop you from sneezing. I have no idea why. I've heard that for a lot of my life. It's just one of them weird things. Ah, they're my buddies. Hi, buddies. They're going for a walk. Oh, I want to go for a walk. I'm going to stay in here and work. You know, it's so great having your bestie living like 2 doors down for me. It's awesome. Anyway, $88 for this necklace. Super cute. Let's look at the earrings. Y'all, these just tickled me to no end because what else makes you think of spring besides little butterflies? Look at the pretty little butterflies. Oh, I think they're so cute. And they're a dangly. I love that. This is the Kate Spade Social Butterfly Drop Earrings in clear. They're $68. Let me put them on. See my junior cameraman. Look what he made me. My junior cameraman and my bestie made me this G and painted it for me. Isn't it pretty? I love it. So I got a happy when I came back in town. Look at it pretty. I love the little gold accent. She texts me and she's like, hey, what are your 3 favorite colors? And so, you know, me and Daniel are driving home at that point. I said, all right, Daniel, what are my 3 favorite colors? And he got only one of them. He only got the green. I figured he would know purple because I am so purple obsessed, but he didn't. Y'all might be able to hear junior cameraman. But he didn't get green. So what do you think? What do you think my favorite colors are? I've already told you 2 of them. The third one is burgundy. I just love burgundy. It's kind of an offshoot of purple, so why not? He's like, I thought blue was one. And I was like, no, I like blue, but it's not my favorite. So anyway, these are, did I tell you? $68, yes. Aren't they cute? Look how cute that is. Just a little happy. And the last piece is somewhat matching. It's actually not in the clear, it's in purple, but this is the Kate Spade Social Butterfly Mini Pendant in purple. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? And this is $58. I don't know. I may have to use my credit for this because I like the earrings too, though. Oh, see, I'm like one of those people who cannot save up their credit to get the big pricey stuff. I have to use it because I love it so much. I can't get it. Kate Spade's hooks are a little weird. They've got the spade. I think you can Maybe you can't see it, who knows. But they're just a little difficult for me. I'm nervous because I feel like people can hear me out the windows. In the back, it didn't bother me as much. But here, it kind of bothers me. It makes me nervous because I guess I can see everybody. Hang on. Anyway, I think that's as loose as it'll go. And I think the other one would be about the same length without the extender. But I think they're gorgeous. I think they're super cute. I kind of wish I had the $147.30 to keep all of it. But I probably won't keep all of it. I'll just rent and send back. But what do you think? How do you think they did with this set? This is what they recommended for me. I didn't switch anything out. Sometimes I do that. Like last time, I think I switched every piece. But it was all stuff that I had put in my wish list. They normally try to pick from your wish list first. But yeah, it's super fun. They have great sales on there of the jewelry. I guess when they're just, tired of having it on there, they just put it on sale. So I'd love to hear what you think of the set, what you think of Rocksbox, if you've tried it before. If you want to try it, don't forget they do have that code to get your $25 worth of credit in your free first set. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed this. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.